Okay, back here from Colorado again. Now I'm going to show you. Here we go again. So right now it's going to do this, and it will do it all night long. So you'd think we'd have inches here, right? But no, tomorrow morning it's going to look like California weather, guaranteed. Now here's my theory on this, okay? The sun and the moon are negative and positive conductors, and we are the middle. They're charging Earth, okay? Now, what if the moon and the sun start enclosing on each other when it comes to the world? So you got the moon here, you got the sun here, you got the world here. What if the moon started getting closer to the earth and started grabbing Earth's pole this way? What would happen? You would think the world would flip right upside down, just like any other battery. If you have two negatives, it makes something flip, flips it upside down. So that's, if you think about it, theory wise, the moon and the sun are starting to get closer to each other, and the planet is about to flip its battery cable. And if it flips its battery cable, that means sand becomes ocean, ocean becomes sand, which we already know has happened before, unless we're just building on top of buildings on top of buildings. But we know that there are levels, and we know that this has happened before. So think about that. That's just one theory out of many theories out there. But again, think about the world like a petri dish. All right? The world's round, but it's also flat. So what we see as round is round, but we're in a petri dish, so we're still flat. So when we see things like cosmos or lights coming across, think about the sun like the lamp that is growing over our petri dish, that is growing sprouts in the soil of this petri dish. That could be us. We could be the petri dish. And maybe there's another petri dish right next to us and another one next to that. And every once in a while, we can see glimpses of our other neighbor petri dishes, which, we've seen before, like the 3 planet scenario. So all of this, all I know is the world is changing, and it's coming to an end, to a new beginning. And we all know it. We all see it coming. Now, what are we going to do about it? That's the question.